Mabuhay! I'm Angel Peter Elguera, and today I will be sharing some brief information about transportation. Transportation is the movement of people or goods from place to place. Transportation plays a crucial role to everyone, especially when you're commuting to work or school. Air transportation involving aircraft, like airplanes and helicopters, travel is much easier than the other type of transportation. It also best for out-of-the-country trips. Road transportation is the most used and common type of transportation, especially when travel is over short distances. Railway is a kind of transport on vehicles which run on tracks, rail or railroad. Examples are LRT, MRT, and PNR. And lastly, water transportation, also known as maritime transportation. Travel is across bodies of water. Choose tourism, choose you in Manila.